Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be comparing three amazing drones from DJI, the Mavic 3 Classic, Mavic 3 Pro, and Mavic 3. These drones have been generating a lot of buzz in the drone community, and we're here to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. So, let's dive right into it. Introduction to the DJI Mavic series. The DJI Mavic series has revolutionized the world of consumer drones, setting new standards for portability, performance, and image quality. Developed by the industry-leading drone manufacturer DJI, the Mavic series offers a range of compact and feature-packed drones that cater to a diverse audience, from hobbyists and enthusiasts to professional filmmakers and photographers. Launched as a game-changer in aerial photography, the Mavic series quickly gained immense popularity for its foldable design, making it incredibly easy to transport and deploy in various settings. With each iteration, DJI continued to push the boundaries of drone technology, introducing cutting-edge features that captivate both beginners and seasoned drone users alike. From the Mavic Mini, tailored to entry-level users, to the Mavic Air and Mavic 2 series, boasting advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes, the Mavic lineup has continually offered a range of options to cater to individual needs and preferences. Moreover, the Mavic series' outstanding camera capabilities, including high-resolution stills and smooth 4K video recording, have earned it widespread acclaim as a versatile tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Whether you're an adventure seeker looking to capture breathtaking landscapes or a content creator in search of cinematic shots, the DJI Mavic series is sure to deliver a remarkable flying experience. Join us as we explore the evolution and capabilities of these groundbreaking drones, shaping the future of consumer aerial photography and videography. Let's get into the comparison of the three drones that make up the DJI Mavic series. Design and build. The Mavic 3 Classic, Pro, and Mavic 3 all feature foldable designs for easy portability and storage. They have sturdy construction, ensuring durability during flights and landing. The Mavic 3 Classic boasts a sleek and compact design, making it ideal for travelers and on-the-go content creators. The Mavic 3 Pro has a slightly larger frame. The Mavic 3 Pro comes equipped with enhanced stability for smoother aerial shots. The flagship model, the Mavic 3, combines the best of both worlds with a balance between portability and stability. Camera capabilities. Now let's talk about what many of you are excited about, the camera capabilities. The Mavic 3 Classic features a powerful Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor, offering stunning 20MP stills and 4K videos at 60 fps. Perfect for hobbyists and enthusiasts looking for high-quality footage. The Mavic 3 Pro takes it up a notch with a Hasselblad camera sporting a 1.2-inch sensor, providing 20.8MP stills and 6K videos at 30 fps. Ideal for professional photographers and filmmakers who require the best image quality. The Mavic 3 flagship model shares the same camera as the Mavic 3 Pro, ensuring top-tier image and video performance for content creators and aerial enthusiasts alike. Flight performance. Now let's see how these drones perform in the sky. The Mavic 3 Classic offers an impressive flight time of up to 28 minutes and a maximum speed of 44 miles per hour, providing decent performance for most users. The Mavic 3 Pro comes with an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and a maximum speed of 48 miles per hour. The Mavic 3 Pro caters to professionals who require longer flight sessions and faster speeds. Being the top-tier model, the Mavic 3 boasts a flight time of up to 36 minutes and a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour, making it a true powerhouse in the sky. Obstacle avoidance and sensors. Safety is paramount in flying drones, and that's why obstacle avoidance and sensors are crucial. All models are equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance systems, featuring omnidirectional sensors to prevent collisions and ensure a smooth flight experience. The Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 take it a step further with upgraded obstacle avoidance capabilities, offering more precise detection and avoidance in complex environments. Intelligent flight modes. DJI is renowned for its intelligent flight modes, making aerial photography and videography a breeze. All three models share a wide range of intelligent flight modes, including active track, waypoints, and point of interest, for enhanced creativity and ease of use. The Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 offer additional modes like Hyperlapse, which provides breathtaking time-lapse shots in motion. Remote controller and range. A great drone needs a great remote controller for seamless piloting. All three models come with ergonomic and user-friendly remote controllers, offering a comfortable grip and intuitive controls. The Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 stand out with an extended transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, giving you the freedom to explore vast distances. Price and value. Next, let's talk about the price and value proposition of each drone. The Mavic 3 Classic is the most budget-friendly option, making it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists. The Mavic 3 Pro offers an outstanding value for professional photographers and filmmakers with its enhanced camera capabilities. The Mavic 3, being the flagship model, combines the best features of the Classic and Pro, providing excellent value for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. Additional features and accessories. Beyond the core features, these drones come with various additional features and accessories to enhance your flying experience. The Mavic 3 Classic comes with a standard set of accessories, including spare propellers, a remote controller, and a battery charger. You can also purchase optional accessories like ND filters for better exposure control during sunny days. The Mavic 3 Pro model offers some advanced accessories, such as a smart controller with an integrated display, which eliminates the need for a separate mobile device for live streaming. Additionally, it includes an adjustable aperture, giving you more creative control over your shots. Being the flagship model, the Mavic 3 takes it a step further with an optional Fly More kit that includes extra batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag for convenient transportation. Software and firmware updates. DJI continuously improves its drones through software and firmware updates, unlocking new features and improving performance. The Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3, being more recent releases, may receive more frequent updates, keeping them ahead of the curve. Customer support and warranty. Let's not forget the importance of customer support and warranty when investing in a high-end drone. DJI offers excellent customer support with online resources, forums, and live chat options for troubleshooting and technical assistance. All three models come with a standard warranty covering manufacturing defects. Personal preferences. Ultimately, when choosing the right drone for you, personal preferences play a significant role. Consider factors such as the size and weight of the drone, especially if you plan to travel extensively with it. Think about the type of content you want to create, whether it's breathtaking aerial landscapes, cinematic footage, or action-packed sports shots. Also take into account the level of flying experience you have and the ease of use each model offers, as well as the overall budget you're willing to invest. So there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, Mavic 3 Pro, and Mavic 3. Each model has its strengths, catering to different user needs and budgets. Remember to consider your use case, whether you're a hobbyist, content creator, or a professional filmmaker when making your decision. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed choice. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Fly safe, and until next time, happy droning.